Hi there, in this tutorial you will learn how to lock or hide your folders in Windows. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel to see our other tutorials. Please note that you practice this tutorial before you do this on your actual folders that you intend to lock or hide. And note that if you are redoing this in your flash memory or memory card, the files you delete can't be undelete. So be careful, and note that this method is for Windows systems and not iOS or Android systems. First of all, you need a third-party software named WinRar. Then put your target folder in a new folder and rename it 1. Now create a new one in the main folder and name it 2. Now set attributes for these folder to hidden. Make sure that hidden items in View tab in folders is ticked. Back to WinRar and find the main folder. Here I name it lock. Then rename the 1 folder to 2 and point. That's it. If you click on each folder you see nothing. Now you can delete the folder 2. Now you click on folder 2. Windows can't open that and you can't delete it either. If you want this folder hidden, then hidden items in View tab in folders must be unticked. If you want to recover the target folder first, hidden items in View tab in folders is ticked. Go to WinRar and remove point sign after 2 and hidden files can be seen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel to see our other tutorials.